Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 9 science chapter 3 atoms and molecules. So last class we had discussed about the different theory of atoms, how the atoms are made of, or it is a Dalton theory we have already discussed. So today we discuss about atoms, that is partition atoms. Atoms क्या होता है हम उसके बारे में आज डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, so atoms are mainly the building block of all the matters. Okay, all the matters. This one are visible in our eyes, or those are present in our surroundings. Okay, total all the universe are made up of what are atoms. Okay, so this marker are also made up of atoms. These buildings, okay, we are present. I are present. All are. This one are also made up of metals. The apple we are eating, the rice, okay, we are eating. This one also are made up of atoms. Okay, so all the things present in this universe are the made up of are the combinations of what are atoms, or all are made up of atoms. So in our minds, questions arises: what are the structure of atoms, or what are the size of atoms? Okay, how the atoms are big. Okay, so next are the how big are atoms. So atoms are very small in size, that can be smaller than anything that can we imagine or compare. Okay, so the atoms are very small size. Okay, we cannot imagine or compare their size because they are the very smaller size. Okay, so we cannot see also the atoms in our naked eyes. Okay, we can see with the help of a very powerful microscope. Okay, so the atoms, their size are measured a unit, that is the nanometers. Okay, the diameter or radius of atoms are measured a unit, that is what are nanometers, nms. This is the short form. Okay, and in nanometers, that is the, for example, 1 nanometers is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 9 meters, or 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometers. Okay, this is the most important short question also come. 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometers. For example, the radius of hydrogens, that is the 10 to the power minus 10 meters. For example, waters, that is the 10 to the power minus 9 meters. And an apple, the particles or atoms of an apple, that is there the 10 to the power 1 meters. So all the matters have their particle size. Okay, so their particles are size are the very small size. Okay, and the atoms of the elements are also individual to individual elements, and they are represented by a short abbreviation that is known as what are symbols. So now we discuss the symbol of atoms of different elements. Okay, what are the symbols of atoms of different elements? Now we are discussed, because the symbols are the most important. Okay, symbols of atoms of different elements. Okay, symbols of atoms of different elements. So last class or last part we have discussed elements. Okay, the elements are mainly broadly classified into 3 types, that is a metal, non-metals, and metalloids. And all the elements have the fixed symbols. And these symbols are the earlier times, they are the given by some symbolic name of this element where they are discovered. Okay, the element color. Okay, so now the scientists are names their elements according to the IUPAC rules. Okay, what are IUPAC? Okay, it is an international scientific organizations. Okay, IUPAC means what? Are International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, it is an international organization for naming of these elements or compounds. According to this, all the elements are symbolized. Okay, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is the full form of IUPAC, and its IUPAC is an international scientific organization, and according to these organizations, all the elements or compounds are symbolized. Okay, so now discuss some element symbols and their rules. Okay, so the symbols of hydrogens we are written what are H. The symbol of hydrogen are what is we are written capital H, and the symbol of helium we are written what are S and E. Okay, so some rules of the IUPAC for writing the symbols of an elements. Okay, the first rules are all the symbols of the elements first letter are capital. First letter of the symbol is capital, and the second letter is small. Okay, this is the some rules of the IUPAC. This is the hydrogens. The first it is one letters, and the second also we are as written. Then this one are the same. That's how we use the second letter, and the second letter is the what are lowercase letters, and the first letter are the uppercase. That is the first capital, and the second are the small letters. Okay. For examples are the we written the data in the cobalt, COBALT. We are written what are C and O. Okay, not CO. Okay, this CO means this is the carbon monoxide. Okay, we are written the capital O and capital C and small o. This is the symbol of cobalt. And some elements are named as their Latin names, German names. Okay, some elements they are named as their what are Latin names, German names, or Greek names. For examples, the Latin name of iron are heron. What are the some Latin names are? Okay, for example, iron Latin name are ferrum, FERRUM. That why the iron symbols are what are Fe. Okay. Similarly, the elements of what are sodium, the Latin name are natrium, NATRIUM, natrium. That why their symbols are sodium symbol of what are Na, capital N, small a, sodium. And the elements like potassium, are the Latin name are kalium, KALIUM, kaliums. That's why the symbols are K. Okay, or many elements also they are named as their Latin names, German names, okay, or Greek names. So all these elements have a specific names or specific symbols. For the easily we have to identifies, okay, the elements or the short abbreviations of these elements is called what are symbols. So all these elements has symbolized, all these elements those are discovered. Now we already know 118. All these elements have the fixed symbol. Okay, fixed symbol. Okay, and symbols are what are? This is a short abbreviation of the naming of the elements. Okay. So next part we are discuss the mass numbers, atomic numbers, and the molecules. How the molecules are formed. We are discuss our next part. Okay. So I think all of you remember all these elements and names and their symbols up to 20s. Okay. So this is now are used, the very largely use the symbol of the elements and their atomic numbers, okay, and mass numbers. Mass number we have discussed the next topic, next part. Okay, the atomic mass, that is what are atomic mass. Okay, so thank you to all of you for watching. Okay, so any doubts you have to comment on this video. Okay, thank you.